Hey everyone, this is Ty and welcome to the channel. So today's video, 5 product recommendations that I'd like to give you. Now before we get started, I want you to know this. I don't really have anything to offer other than the recommendation itself. There's no discount code, there's no freebies here. Everything that we're going to discuss are products that I use on a regular basis. And besides that, I paid 100% my own money for, but I use them so often I thought it's a good opportunity to pass those along to you to see if maybe you like them as well. If you do, all the links will be in the description below for you to check out so you can scoop these up for yourself. Okay, enough said. Let's jump into number 1. Well, the first product I have for you guys is this Klim long sleeve. I think it's called the Teton Merino long sleeve shirt. Now, I originally purchased this on Revzilla's website for $79.99. And while that is expensive for one long sleeve t-shirt, I think the benefits of it outweigh the cost of it. So let me lay it down here and give you guys a good top-down shot. There we go. So this is a great t-shirt. Again, link's going to be in the description below. I use this as a base layer when I'm out riding. You know, so far in the summer heat, it works fantastic. You'll sweat right through it and then dry up. It really works fantastic for that nice base layer. Now you can get these in 3 colors. They're going to come in black, blue, and this one right here that I have, this gray one, this is called Asphalt. It's got a great open fit to it, right? It's snug, but it's not too tight. And it doesn't flap around on you everywhere when you're on the motorcycle. So it's a really good fit. The material is soft. It's not exactly moisture wicking, that super soft material, but it is extremely comfortable. Now, according to Klim's website, this shirt is made out of 20% merino wool, whatever that is, 20% nylon. The good thing about it too, you got long sleeves, so it's going to cover your arms in case of sunburn or anything like that. I've never felt overheated, too hot in this shirt, and I've started wearing them a bunch just about every time I head out. So even though I have 3 of these, would I buy more? Yes, absolutely. If I ever want to throw some funds this way, I will absolutely get, I'd love to have 2 in every color. So if you're interested, here's my recommendation number 1 for you. Let's move on to the second. Now, as motorcyclists, I think one thing that we love to do is argue and disagree on the proper amount of riding gear, when and where you should have it. But I think one thing that we can all agree on is you need to protect your feet and ankles. And that's what I wanted to give you my second recommendation. That is going to be riding sneakers from Harley Davidson. Now, I like the riding sneakers a little more than I like a traditional boot. These are made by Harley Davidson. These are the Bauman waterproof riding sneaker. You can get these on the Harley Davidson website or your local dealership for around $165. Top down shot, here we go, to give you guys a better look at these. So these come in 2 colors. They come in gray, they also come in black. They are super, super comfortable. I mean, the inside of these are really, really soft. I have worn these multiple days for all day rides and they're fantastic. Now they look slick, I'll give you that, and I'm sorry they're dirty, guys, but these are field tested, you know. So even though they look slick, they really grip well in dry conditions and slick surfaces, wet road conditions. They grip super well. Now, another shoe that you're going to see me wear from time to time is going to be this. And many of you guys have commented and said, don't wear those when you're riding. They're not safe. They're really not. I'm not going to say you're not going to see me in these anymore, but I did want to make a couple of different comparisons. Let's do a side-by-side right there on these 2 shoes. So these are my Jordan 1s. I like to ride around in Jordan 1s. I'm not complaining about that. These are the Jordan 1 Palominos. Palomino's great shoe. But if you look right around the toe box here, just on a normal sneaker, man, that is super soft. And we want our sneakers to be comfortable and soft when we're riding around. But that toe box is really squishy, really soft. We go over here to the boot and you can see it's got that double stitching, that double layer of material there. It's not a steel toe, but man, it is really rigid, and a rock or pebble, something like that, someone's gonna have a hard time getting through there. the material is much more rigid. It's much more stiff. It just feels like it's going to prevent an ankle roll a lot more. Again, this is just my personal preference and some observations that I've made. But again, I'm not saying you're not ever going to see me in a sneaker, but I do highly recommend these in so many ways. Shout out to my buddy Marcus. You make some good points about this, and you're right, man. Well, staying on the topic of feet, if you've ever been riding in the rain, you know that having wet feet and wet socks, it's just awful. So going along with that, one of the products that I wanted to recommend is these boot covers that I found at my local Cycle Gear. Now, I've had these open for a while, so the exact name, I'm not sure, but I did find a product that is just like it. I'll put that link in the description below for you guys to the Cycle Gear website. But these were super cheap. I mean, I paid like 35, 38 bucks, something like that. But the great thing about these is these can be used with any existing rainwear that you have. They zip up, you put your whole foot in there, your whole boot in there, and then they zip up over your jeans or whatever, your pants, whatever you're wearing, to keep you nice and dry. Now, have these things been field tested? Oh man, oh man. So I went on a road trip with some buddies to Kentucky about a month or two ago, and it rained on us the whole way. I was wearing these. Now the rain gear that I have, let's just say it's time to shop for some new rain gear. I was soaked. I was soaked from my ankle all the way up to the top of my head, but my feet were 100% dry, not a drop of rain. These things are absolutely fantastic. Again, field tested, and I highly recommend. One of the things I really like about these, it's got a complete rubber sole there for you. Now, the traditional Harley Davidson rain gear, if we're going to compare those, the boot covers you get are these type of things. These are not my vibe, man. These are not my vibe. Your feet get drenched, always have when I wear these. But these guys here, they are perfect. They really are. They are super water resistant. Anyway, not too much you can say about those, but they will keep your feet dry. Links in the description below. Hope you enjoy them. All right, moving from feet to hands. These are the Klim Dakar, I think it's pronounced, Pro gloves. These things, I got them on the Revzilla website. You can also get them on the Klim website, and they are $74.99 for a pair of these gloves. These things are just fantastic. They are super comfortable. They are top-down shot. Let's do that. They are super comfortable. They are super cool, and I've got two pair of them, just as you can see right there. So these come in 3 different colors. You can get them in cool gray, cool gray, sage, which is these guys, and then black. Now these are the ones, I originally had these first. These first, and I liked them so much that for Christmas my mother bought me these black ones. So thanks, Mom, appreciate that. But I love these. I wear them all the time. Like I said, the pros about these gloves are they are very comfortable. I love the padding that is on each knuckle and each finger. They are easy to use on a phone or any type of mobile device. They work really well for that. One of the cons, I would say, is they're not waterproof. These gloves are not waterproof. They've got little air vent holes in there, so of course water is going to get in there. So if you're looking for a waterproof glove, this isn't for you. But for a summertime glove, just riding around and you want some protection in case something really bad happens, these things are fantastic. I would highly recommend. And now, because I love these Klim gloves so much, I am going to be getting a set of waterproof gloves, like I mentioned with my rain gear. But that's another investment that'll come around at another time. But for now, I highly recommend these. I like them very much. I use them every single time that I'm out on my motorcycle. Now, in my opinion, I believe that I have saved the best for last. If you like riding vests, this might be for for you. This is from First Manufacturing. Let me just say this, I have no partnership, I have no affiliation with First Manufacturing. Again, paid for this out of my own pocket. But this riding vest is super cool, y'all, because it is not leather, it is mesh. So if you could just think of a normal leather riding vest, the material on this is mesh. So riding around in the summer, you got the benefit of a riding vest, and it is super, super comfortable. A lot of air coming through here, and it works fantastic. Now, I do want to say this as far as pricing and that type of thing goes. So on the First Manufacturing website, this is priced at $109.99, $109.99. And usually when I check on there, it's about 3 to 4 weeks on back order, so they say. When I placed my order, I had it within 2 weeks. Super quick turnaround from them, and it's just an excellent product. Let me give you a top-down look. All right, hope you guys can see. There we go. Hope you guys can see that well. But again, just the normal mesh material in here, and you've got your same thing that you do in typical riding vests. You've got your exterior pockets here, your pockets here close to the bottom, if you can see those right there. You've got your pockets there. There are some inside pockets as well. So you've got one here. Hopefully you can see that. And then one of the things I like about this, if you wanted to put any type of armor in it, you got a compartment here, you can put some back armor in it. If that's your type of thing, no problem with that. You've got the ability here. So it's just a, as you can see here on the label, hopefully you can see that, Moto Mesh from First Manufacturing. Yeah, here's another pocket right here. So just all the benefits of a normal riding vest, but in the summer, you've got the mesh, keep you cool, make you look good, you know? No problem there, right? Well, I hope you guys found this video helpful and useful. I'll tell you what, providing a little bit of feedback from me would be fantastic. If there's any of these products in here that you like, let me know. If you think all of these are garbage, let me know that too, so I'm not going to produce this type of content going forward. But again, these are just things that I use on a regular basis, and I thought, what a great idea to share with my audience. Thank you guys so much for spending a little bit of time with me today. I appreciate it very much. You guys ride safe. I'll see you in the next one.